Maazị Ọhamadike dịka isi afọ ndị awọ ụmụnne anyị ndị si na mpaghara a na-akpọ Ọgbala Izi ndị egwu Isieke village Oju local government. So ị ka ga-afụ ya mobeta. So ihe a gosiri na ọwụ obodo a bụ ka a na-ekwu okwu ya, a na-anụ aha ha na Radio Biafra worldwide. So they are the community youths and the future generation and the children. So they are the people. That are helping you. Same time, they are the people I say they are in school. They are fully in support of what you are doing. So they are the people that are also asking for the water to be sink for them, the water to be sink for them in this community. So Maazị Ọhamadike, these are your people. They are fully your people. They are telling you that say Ọhamadike, 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 Oge Nwaka. The youth are telling you. The youth of Isieke, the youth of Izi, Ọgbala Izi are telling you, Maazị Ọhamadike. They also, the youth worldwide, the people of Ọgbala Izi, they are telling you, they are your fellow brothers that say, go ahead, they are solidly behind you on what you are doing. They are looking for this new baby, the Biafra land, the Biafra to come. They are saying they are happy. They are saying, thank you so much for your struggle, also for your, say thank you so much. They say thank you. Thank you, Ọhamadike. God bless you. Thank you. I now submit my case now. Thank you, Maazị Ọhamadike. I remain your faithfully brother Maazị Nwabuezeonu, the Benue State family writer. The Benue State family writer. I remain your faithful, humble servant. And also I say thank you, Maazị Ọhamadike. I submit the case now. So these are the people that I'm giving you a report about them. Send me to come and take a report about them and send it to you. Thank you, Maazị Ọhamadike. Thank you, Maazị. And I say, my dear brothers, thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you, Maazị. And I'm happy. As you welcome me to this place, welcome Maazị. Welcome you. Thank you so much. You people are going to see yourself in Biafra TV and London Radio. This is Ọhamadike Nation. So what are you saying to Ọhamadike? Bosa. Well, thank you so much. God bless you.